Hey, how's it everyone? Welcome to the video. In this video, it was dirty week. Dirty video. We've been working in compost the whole week. So we've been doing a lot of garden work, a lot of sprinklers. But yeah, cool. That's literally the video. So stay tuned. I think Monday's gonna come now. Good morning. Monday morning. It is time to plant some trees. So we got 4 olive trees now. And what we're going to do is we're going to move them out the way and we're going to jackhammer the ground because it's very hard. So we're going to dig some holes for the trees. Cool. Alright, so the guy's busy finishing up that last hole. He wrecked the neighbor's electrical main cable, but it can be repaired, so we're going to fix that up. It always happens. I think things can go nice and well and quick, but then there's always something that goes wrong. So here, we're going to be doing these trees. So I'm going to mark out where these trees must go, and then we're going to start chopping out for these trees inside here. That's the plan. Cool. Just didn't even need to measure them out, eh? They're already all 90 apart. This one is better.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Joe, it stinks bad, eh? I think my dad just got you. Let's go see how to fix a cable. Yeah. So what, do you just use electrical tape?
Yeah, it's not through the armoring. Thank you, Lord, for armored cable.
Yeah, sure. Alright, so it's fixable. We're glad. Okay, well, glad it wasn't too bad. Alright, so we've been digging some more. Those ones are dug. These ones are all dug. We've just got one of the 2 down here that are being dug. And then we're going to plant our first tree. Cool. What, onto this pile?
Yeah,
So you say you mix this so it doesn't burn the roots?
yeah. Okay, lift it. What are you doing?
I was going to be planted with the tree. Yo. 1 in. How many more to go? 8.
8, please.
So quite cool. We've already, in one of the episodes you would have seen, we ran pipes, 110 underground pipes under the paving. And we're already using them here for the sprinkler line, so quite handy. Anyway, I'm going to get some trees in. Alright, so we got our trees in and we're getting the plants in. Check out this tool that my dad's using. It's like a spear for the ground. What is these things called? Like a rammer, a chisel rammer.
They call it a kufut.
A kufut.
Yeah.
Oh jeez, what is that? Like a Zulu war weapon?
I don't know, it's Afrikaans word. I don't know what
Afrikaans word?
I think it is.
Oh jeez.
Well, I don't know where it comes from.
I don't know. Anyway, that's a kufut. Alright, so we're putting the flowers in, and yes, this compost is cooking hot. Anyway, I'm going to put you guys down. I'll get back to you guys a bit later in the day. We just finished lunch, and it's become a hot day. Yeah. Cool. So this is what we've done so far. We've dug all the holes, and now my dad and I, we're going to get these trees in. And yeah, that's the plan. Alright, so it's the end of the day. My dad's left. And yeah, so check out the gardens. Planted this. These beautiful trees. So yeah, we planted in total 95 plants today and 11 trees. So have a look here. Nice, eh? And over here. And we're starting to put compost down here. So did quite a bit today. And then we got this down here, and then up here we finished off as well. So yeah, a lot of work done. Monday is finished. How's it? Morning. We've already been doing a few things. We've got all of that compost that we had spread out this morning, and then my dad, he started and he finished this backsplash. When did you become a pro at tiling? Today? It's your first time? Sheesh. Then you're an expert. I must say, tiling, I suck at. I've done a bit of tiling. It was in one of the houses we were renovating. We were doing like skirtings like this. And I kept snapping the pieces. Tiling's no joke. But yeah, cool. I think I'm going to probably head back out into the garden. So we're here in the garden area now. And what my dad and I are doing is we are going to get the sprinklers in here. I'm busy digging around the edge over here for the sprinkler pipe. So we're going to have sprinklers along here so that the grass will be all watered. Now these are all the sprinkler stuff. And we got the pipe over there. The next one.
Sprinkler, yeah.
Okay. Okay. So here's the sprinkler. This is the thing that shoots out, and then we just tee it onto the pipe. Okay, turning on. Come on. Aha! Our sprinklers.
Oh, there's a leaky thing there.
A hole in the pipe. It's possibly too tight, so we put on that 90-degree bend there, but it's leaking over here. You want a whole nother thing?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Anyway, cheers. Alright, so we got the sprinkler sorted that was there, and we've popped compost all along here. There's my mom over there. She waved if you didn't see. My dad's busy assembling sprinklers. I've never seen him do this before. So you just take a screwdriver.
Yeah, jam a hole in and then pop it in. It's got a bulb that holds it in place. But, yeah.
Oh, that easy. So I've got my spear, and what's it, a kung fu or something like that. Anyway, my mom's placed all these plants, and now we're gonna go plant. This is what we're gonna be doing, planting plants.
How far in do you think we've got to dig to get it soft here?
Dad, it's rock hard. Alright, good morning, Wednesday morning, and we have done the plants. We got it wrong on the plant counter. It's not 270, it was like 340 plants. My wife, while she was editing, maybe didn't count the plants that were out the camera. So yeah, we planted all the plants. Let me show you what it looks like. Yes, my plant knowledge isn't that great, but let me give it a go here. We got some agapanthus, we got some daisies, polygalas, I don't know, and then we got some speckboom. Maybe those are blue daisies, I don't know. And then we got some honeysuckle. These ones, I like those. The sunbirds also like them, and they can grow into a nice hedge. So that's why we put them up here. So if you groom them nice, it will be like a hedge along the wall, which will look really nice. You can also get them in yellow. And then we've got some plumbago. Let me show you. A cool name, eh? This is a nice daisy. No one looks happy. Oh, and we left this bed up here. So our thing is like, cool. People who buy the house can use this for like a veggie garden, which I think is very cool. I would like that. A veggie garden. Cool. Yeah, anyway, making a long video. Too long. I'll check you when we do stuff later. Alright, we are starting with the steps now. So we're gonna get that going. Cool. Alright, so this is what we've done so far. Oh, I'm going to be bagging. Then it's just putting the cement in the gaps and then we're going to use a sponge to make it look nice. Cool. This is what they look like. It turned out very nice. Check, so we're washing the driveway and our little wall works. And it's dragging no dirt from the garden into the road, which is very cool. Right, good morning. We are busy getting in the sprinklers. We've spent the first little morning doing these sprinklers. The sprinklers in, and I grated one knuckle on the wall. Lekker fun. Anyway, sprinklers are sorted. Now we got a bunch of sprinklers here that I'm gonna put in this one over here. Show you guys how we put this in now quick. Let's pop it there. Okay, and now I'm gonna pop this end cap on the end of the sprinkler. Cool, so we got our end cap on. So you take a screwdriver. My dad taught me this one. I never knew how to do this. And you just plop a hole. You must be careful that you don't go through the other side. And then you take one of these sprinklers and you clap it in the ground. Right, quickly made a U thing so you can hold this. Alright, so there you have it. Sprinkler in. Yeah, we do it every 1.5 meters. Cool. Nisako, last one. This is the one. It spins lekker. Alright, so there you have it. This side is sprinkled up too. Just check at this Hilux. It's a nice car, eh? Looks mean. Alright. So we got our ground covers in, and if you can see, I'm coming. So we got all these ground covers in. Alright, my dad's gonna turn on the sprinklers. This is a test to see whether we'll have enough pressure and it will cover all the plants. Ah, so it's a success. Sheesh. Hey Dad?
Hey there.
What do you say? Yo, they spray hard now.
Yeah.
Wow. Sheesh, like it. This is a success, I reckon. Check it out. Yeah, it's just nice to see a whole week of gardening come down and it all works the first go, which is cool. Very nice. I'm glad. So this is what it's all looks like for now. We got the 2 zones, but what we're going to do is we're going to sort this out. We're going to put a T here and fix these into a sprinkler box. Oh, and a third one here. I'll turn it on. Can I turn it on? Full send. Oh, you can see the mist. Huh. A success. I don't know if you guys can see some rainbows, but I can. It's also going well. But yeah, what do you reckon, Dad?
Done, eh? Just hope all the little plants survive.
Yeah.
After
Okay.
lunch, you're going to do the gates.
Yeah, we'll do the gates after lunch. Woo. Alright. Check at this. We got the gate on. Check how nicely it opens and closes. You can just close it with a finger. Hey, how's it everyone? There's a few things that I just want to say quick. This is going to be the last video of this series. We're still going to be posting on this channel, so this isn't the end, don't worry. This is not the end. This is just the beginning. This is the beginning project and there will be many more. But this is the last video of this project, and within the next few weeks we're going to be posting out the last final video. So stay tuned for that one. That's going to be a big one. So we're going to be doing from start to finish, which will be lekker. So yeah, if you guys got any questions over what you've seen, pop in the comments. Hey, what self-leveling did you use? How did you do this? Hey, I want whatever. What tiles? What's my dad's name? None of you know that. What's my mom's name? No one knows. If you guys want to know those things, pop in the comments below. And yeah, we'll do as many questions as we possibly can in the last video. So subscribe, which then my video will come into the front of your page, and then you can be like, oh, there's the new video. Anyway, cool. Thanks for watching, and yeah, always big thank you for your guys' support on the channel. It's like we're building a little community here, which is lekker. Cool. But yeah, thanks for that, and we'll check you in the final big video, which will be cool. Thanks for watching, and we'll check you then. Bye.